Hello guys! HoopScore notifies naman kung merong bagong update sa software niya. So in this case, as of the recording of this video, nag-notify siya ng update is available. Currently, ang naka-install sa computer na to is version 1.2.4 and nag-notify siya na may update to version 1.2.5. Then, nandyan na rin yung release notes, no? May mga bagong features, may improvements dun sa existing features. So, you have a choice if later mo na siya i-download or i-download mo na agad. This is for regular update. Pag merong force update, so hindi mo magagamit talaga si software unless i-update mo to the latest version. But in this case, kung kailangan mo na talagang gamitin yung software, pwede mong later na lang i-update. But what if you want to update it? So, i-click mo lang yung download update and i-redirect ka lang niya dito sa official website ni HoopScore. So, pwede mo na siyang i-download agad, no? Download for Windows. So, it will trigger a download dun sa browser and makukuha mo na yung latest na exe file for installation. But pwede mo ring tingnan yung patch notes using etong download button dito sa upper right. So pupunta siya dito sa latest version which is 1.2.5 na merong notes kung ano yung in-improve, no? Or binago dun sa latest version. Pwede mo nang i-download yung installer, no? So, click mo lang yan and save mo sa download folder mo. Then, as you could see dito, binlock siya ni Edge, no? Or ni Google Chrome pala kasi suspicious download siya. This is due to HoopScore not being fully registered pa or recognized by Google Chrome and Microsoft Windows, no? But eventually, mawawala rin yung suspicious file niya, status niya. So, just click download suspicious file. Then, after a while, pupunta yan dito sa downloads folder natin. So, ayan. And make sure na may laman siya. In this case, 99.1 MB. In the future, mas malaki pa yung file na yan. Also, pwede mo ring tignan yung update notes ng previous na version, no? Dito sa updates na page sa website natin. So, nandyan lahat ng update notes from version 1.2.0 up to the present. So, since nandito na siya sa download folder natin, pwede na natin siyang install. So, let's start by closing all windows dito sa HoopScore. And then double click. So, ayan, nag-trigger yung ano natin, yung Windows Defender. So, more info ka lang, then run anyway. Kaya rin ako nag-prepare dito kanina ng ipipresent sana na anong gagawin if na-trigger si Windows Defender. So anyway, since na-trigger naman pala talaga sa bagong update, then ayun, yun yung gagawin. More mo lang, then install. So ito na yung setup. So lagay mo lang to anyone who uses this computer. Next. Then magtatanong siya if you want to allow this app. So hindi na nakita kasi naka-dual screen ako, no? But yes mo lang yon. Then install. Then completing HoopScore setup. Finish. And mag-o-open ngayon yung mga windows ni HoopScore with the latest version. So make sure na naka-version 1.2.5 ka na or kung anumang latest version in the future. So kanina naka 1.2.4 yan, ngayon naka 1.2.5 and wala nang notification for new updates. And yun lang ang tutorial natin on how to update your HoopScore application.